Welcome to QR2AI.com. First things first, if you haven't signed up yet, you can register by clicking the Sign Up button. Just enter your email, username, password, and confirm your password, and click Register. You'll receive an activation email. Once you activate your account, you can log in easily with your username and password. When you log in for the first time, you'll receive 35 free diamonds. These are credits you can use to generate artwork. If you'd like more, simply visit the pricing page where you can purchase additional credits. Now let's explore the AI Calligraphy generator. The first step is to upload an image. If you try to generate without uploading, you'll see an error. So always start by uploading your calligraphy image. For the best results, use a clean image, ideally with a white background and your calligraphy in black or another solid color. Even if your image isn't perfect, it will still work, but a cleaner upload will give you higher quality output. Once uploaded, you have options. You can delete the image and upload another, or use the crop tool to remove extra white space. Simply drag the area you want to keep, then click Crop. Next, you can select an image size. By default, auto size is enabled, which automatically matches your image ratio. For example, landscape becomes 16:9, portrait becomes 9:16, square becomes 1:1. If you prefer the exact size of your original image, uncheck auto size. You can also manually choose from 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. You can also choose between templates and customize. In customize, you can write your own prompt, or click Surprise Me to get unique suggestions. Each time you click, you'll see a new prompt that you can edit, tweak, or replace with your own text. In templates, you'll find a variety of preset styles. Simply select one, click Generate, and the AI generator will create your calligraphy in that style. Let's try an example. I'll select a template. Set the size to 16:9 and click Generate. The AI creates my calligraphy in the chosen style. When your artwork is ready, you can download it to your computer or save it to your personal gallery. Saved images appear with the latest ones at the top, so you can access them anytime. Notice that the output keeps the same dimensions I selected. You might be asking, how much does each generation cost? Well, each artwork costs just 5 diamonds. So, with every new creation, your diamond balance goes down by 5. Let me show you what you can do with the Customize option. You can write your own prompt, or simply click on the Surprise Me button to get a random text prompt. When you click Surprise Me, the prompt box will change to a new suggestion. If you like the suggestion, just click Generate to create your artwork. If you want something different, you can keep clicking Surprise Me for more prompts. Now, if you'd rather copy a style from an image instead of writing prompts, you can upload a style image to mimic or even match the design of that image. Let's try that too. Upload your desired style image into the Style Image Upload area. Once you upload it, you'll notice a new button appear called Change Prompt Style. Clicking this will update your text prompt with a suggestion based on the uploaded image style. Of course, you can still edit the prompt however you like. And once you're done, just click Generate to create your styled artwork. With just a few adjustments, you can achieve results that capture both the look and the feel of your reference image. And that's how you can create stunning AI-generated calligraphy with QR2AI.com. Thanks for watching. Enjoy creating amazing calligraphy.